Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fill friend bar in Monopoly Go. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Monopoly Go, just click on the following options. You can download on the App Store and you can also get it on Google Play. And by following the on-screen instructions, you're good to go. Now, filling the friend bar allows you to unlock and access social features within the game. It includes playing with friends, sending and receiving gifts, or participating in the multiplayer modes. Now, playing with Monopoly Go with friends can make the game more enjoyable and interactive. It adds a social element that mimics the experience of playing the board game with friends in person. Now, how do we do it? I suggest you use the Monopoly Go on your app, so go to your mobile device and open the Monopoly app because from there it's going to be a lot easier to fill in the friend bar. Okay? Now, once you are on your mobile device and you open the Monopoly app, hover down to the very bottom and click on Friends. Now, from here, click on the Invite option, alright? And how it works that you can invite a friend who's never played before and your friend can join the game. And of course, complete the bar and get the reward. That's how you basically fill friend bar on Monopoly Go. But the thing is, you need to invite 100 friends or 10 friends to get the 150 dice, alright? Now, the thing is, how do you invite friends to play this game after getting your click invite? Now, what I need you to do is, now, one of the best platforms that you can send your invite to friends are the Discord Monopoly Go. And from here, just log into your Discord and accept the invite for you to be able to join the Discord server. And from there, you can invite friends and send them the link so you would be able to earn the 10 points and get the 150 dice, all right? And the next option that you might have is go here. Another way for you to earn the bonus is log into your Snapchat and of course send the friends link or the invite link that you have on the Monopoly Go so that you'll get the 10 bonus or the 150 bonus for you. All right. Now, once your friend bar is filled with friends or connections, you can start enjoying social features such as playing with friends, sending gifts, or participating as a multiplayer game modes. You need to explore the social features offered in Monopoly Go, such as joining multiplayer games with friends and competing in challenges or events together. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.